Alright guys, this is why you want to ensure that if you are doing a chip reset on the maintenance box on this printer, that you're not really overflowing your inks. There obviously is a setting for a reason, and that setting is to prevent it from doing this. And with this system in general, you are cleaning it heavily. So if you're not rigging it to empty into some sort of can or bottle and then using the chipless system that way, you're going to overflow your ink tank. So I just wanted to point that out because this was only the second time doing so, and that happened. So just be aware.